Starting with the glorious and compassionate name of Allah, who is the most merciful and beneficent. Assalamu alaikum to all of you. Hope you all are doing well and under the special bless of Allah. Dear students, it is hoped that you have done all the previous homeworks. Let us start with our today's lecture. In our today's lecture, we are going to discuss question number 7 of unit number 10, Technology in Everyday Life. So let us start with that. Question number 7 says, does technology impact culture and society? How? क्या टेक्नोलॉजी हमारी कल्चर और सोसाइटी पे असरअंदाज होती है? क्या इसका कोई असर है? अगर है तो किस तरह? So let us come towards the answer. See the mind map. You know it very well. You have to use blue marker for writing the question in your neat notebook. This is what you have to write in your notebook of English, Eclair. So for writing a question, you need to use blue marker. And for highlighting the main terms, the important terms in the answer, you need to use black marker. Clear? As well as draw the mind map must. Clear? So, impact of technology on culture and society. So, the first one point, promotion of culture. हमारी सकाफत को आगे ले जाने के लिए, दूसरे लोगों तक पहुंचाने के लिए, उसे लोगों में आम बनाने के लिए इस्तेमाल कर सकते हैं क्या? टेक्नोलॉजी. चेंजिंग ऑफ कल्चरल वैल्यूज़, और जो हमारे सकाफती अक़दार हैं जो वक्तन फ़वक्तन उसमें थोड़ी बहुत तब्दीली आ रही है, तो दैट इज़ ऑल्सो द इम्पैक्ट ऑफ टेक्नोलॉजी. क्लियर? एडेप्टेशन ऑफ अदर्स कल्चरल वैल्यूज़ मीन्स कि दूसरों के कल्चर में जो पॉजिटिव पॉइंट्स है जो हमें सूट करते हैं. क्लियर? जो हमें सूट करते हैं एंड वी फॉलो दैट, वी अडेप्ट दैट. क्लियर? That is also the impact of technology. Its positive and negative impacts both are going to be discussed in the answer. Clear? So let us start with the content of the answer. Technology impacts both culture and society through different technological means, बहुत से तकनीकी ज़रायों के ज़रिए. The culture of any area can be promoted. किसी भी स्पेसिफिक एरिया के कल्चर को प्रमोट किया जा सकता है. कैन बी डिपिक्टेड इन फ्रंट ऑफ अदर्स थ्रू टेक्नोलॉजी. क्लियर? सो द कल्चर ऑफ एनी एरिया कैन बी प्रमोटेड एंड मेड नोन टू अदर पार्ट्स ऑफ द वर्ल्ड. क्लियर? द नॉर्म्स एंड कल्चरल वैल्यूज. द norm means standards of proper or acceptable behavior. Clear? For example, something that is usual or expected. जो हमारे values होते हैं, जो हमारे अक़दार होते हैं. Clear? So, the positive impact of technology on culture and society is that people have reached new heights of progress. अब क्या हुआ है? टेक्नोलॉजी के क्या इम्पैक्ट्स है, क्या असरात हैं? अब इसके पॉजिटिव असरात क्या है? द पॉजिटिव इम्पैक्ट ऑफ टेक्नोलॉजी ऑन कल्चर एंड सोसाइटी इज़ दैट पीपल हैव रीच्ड न्यू हाइट्स ऑफ प्रोग्रेस, के लोग तरक्की पे तरक्की कर रहे हैं और तरक्की की बुलंदियों तक पहुंच गए हैं. क्लियर? देन द इंटरनेट हैज़ चेंज्ड द वर्ल्ड इंटू अ ग्लोबल विलेज. अब क्या है? हमारे लिए रब्ता करना इंतहाई आसान हो गया है थ्रू डिफरेंट कम्युनिकेशनल ways or means or sources. Clear? So because of that, the world has become a global village. Or it is also true, it has also badly, please do the correction, it has also badly affected our life and environment. इसने हमारी ज़िंदगियों और हमारे माहौल पर भी बहुत ज़्यादा नेगेटिव असरात, मनफी असरात छोड़े हैं, and that you know very well. Now prepare a new page in your notebook of English A. Give the topic comprehension, page 100, and question number 3. Use the following words in sentences. This one question you are supposed to do in your notebook of English A. Please remember. So the first one is technology. Technology is a boon for the modern man. Boon, nemat. Means in a positive sense we can call it, it's a boon for us. Clear? Technology is a boon for the modern man, and definitely it is. Then agriculture. Agriculture is the backbone of Pakistan. This is also very simple. Transportation. Well developed transportation system is the need of today. Then fertile. The fourth one term, fertile. We are losing fertile land due to overpopulation. We are losing fertile land due to overpopulation. Overpopulation, कसीर आबादी, ज़्यादा आबादी, हद से ज़्यादा आबादी. क्लियर? उसकी वजह से क्या हो रहा है, हम ज़री ज़मीन जो है तो वो खो रहे हैं. Then invention. Necessity is the mother of invention. That is also very well known to you. So technology means technology. Agriculture means zaraat. Transportation means naqlo hamal या नकलो हरकत. Fertile means zari या जरखेज़ जिसे कहते हैं. Clear? और invention means ईजाद. Clear? So dear students, complete all the requirements. Do neat handwriting as well as do highlighting within the sentences as well. How are you going to do the highlighting in it? For example, you are writing the term technology. So in making sentence for technology, you are going to highlight technology in the sentence part. Clear? How are you going to highlight it? You are going to write it with black marker. So in the same way, agriculture. Clear? So in writing the sentence, agriculture will be written with black marker. So definitely it will attract the checker and will definitely help you out in getting good grades. Clear? Again, transportation. So you need to write the transportation with black marker over here. No need to underline it, just write it with black marker. Clear? Again over here, fertile. So this fertile may also be written with black marker. Clear? As well as the invention. So the invention here be also made highlighted with black marker. Whereas you have to write the question part with blue marker. Clear? So dear students, complete all the requirements, do neat handwriting, give proper attention to your presentation, attempt all the tests that are shared with you through WhatsApp group of your class, as well as attempt the paper honestly, all those papers that are shared with you. Clear? Your today's homework is to learn all the content that we did today, whether these are the word sentences or the questions that we discussed. Clear? Thank you so much. Stay blessed. Allah Hafiz.